ready na for the assessment. So, thank you, Madam TESDA representative. I have here now the assessment package. Okay, there we have survey form, Data Privacy Act, okay, specific instruction, assessor's guide, attendance sheets, okay, the questioning tool, rating sheets, the cars, and the self-assessment guide, okay. All are complete, ready for the assessment. So, good morning. Welcome to TESDA Provincial Training Center, an accredited assessment center in bread and pastry production NC2. So, I am your competency assessor in bread and pastry production NC2. I'm Sheena May L. Recoy. This is my identification as a proof that I am an accredited assessor in bread and pastry production NC2. So, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our TESDA representative, Ms. Rovi Bien, our AC manager, Mr. Marky Maingat, and our processing officer, Ms. Jesarine Capili. Okay, good morning, ma'am, sir. So, don't worry about their presence because we are here to oversee the conduct of competency if in accordance with the methodologies and procedure of TESDA. They will not assess you kasi ako mismo ang mag-a-assess sa inyo. Okay? So, bago tayo mag-start, tumayo muna tayo for a prayer. Okay? Amen. So, ibibigay ko muna yung Daily Health Survey Form and the Data Privacy Act Form. This pakibasa and pa-fill out. So, ang Daily Health Survey Form is an indication na physically fit kayo na mag-undergo ng assessment. And the Data Privacy Act Form naman is a consent form na nag-a-agree kayo na naka-record lahat ng nangyayari dito sa assessment natin. So, because we are all equipped with the CCTVs. Okay, so as I call your name, submit ako ng admission slip nyo and pirma ako sa attendance sheet. So, paki-submit din sa akin yung Data Privacy Act Form and the Daily Health Survey. Okay, as I call your name, Ms. Jesarine Capili. Patanggal ng eyeglass mo. Mr. Marky Maingat. Baka may identification card ko, sir. Pahiram ako. Okay. Will take your seat. So, I have here the complete application form and the self-assessment guide, the indication na ready kayo na for the assessment to determine the level of your competencies. So, welcome again sa ating TESDA Provincial Assessment Center in Bread and Pastry Production NC2. So, yung bread and pastry production NC2 has 4 competencies. These are the prepare and produce bakery products, prepare and produce pastry products, prepare and present the food cards and cake. Number 4, prepare and display petty foods, and number 5, present dessert. So, ang bread and pastry production NC2 is a project-based assessment. So, meaning it is an all or nothing assessment. So, kung hindi nyo naipasa ang isang competency, hindi kayo makakukuha ng national certificate. So, saan nga ba na gagamitin ang national certificate? So, gagamitin nyo ang national certificate sa pag-a-apply sa trabaho, locally or abroad. So, pwede rin nyo gamitin sa inyong pag-a-apply para sa for promotion. Okay? So, ang national certificate is issued 2 to 3 days after your assessment. Kung kanina kinuhaan kayo ni processing officer ng yung picture saka e-signature. So, yun ang gagamitin nila at ilalagay doon sa national certificate nyo. So, kasi via email na tayo, e-certificate kung tawagin. So, dapat provide nyo yung inyong email address na active. Okay? So, I am going to float the evidences through demonstration and oral questioning. So, you have to demonstrate in preparing a cake and decorating for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then, you are going to bake a hamburger buns for 1 hour and then followed by the oral questioning for 15 minutes. Okay? Kung may tinatawag din tayong allowable adjustment. So, kung may mga hindi kayo maintindihan mamaya sa specific instructions, so don't hesitate to ask me. Pwede kong i-translate sa inyong mga dialect na alam nyo. Okay? So, we have also the personal needs. So, meron tayong CR daan sa labas, tabi lang ng admin, and meron din tayong canteen. Located lang dyan sa labas. Pwede kayong mag-take ng meals ninyo mamaya. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 15 minutes break mamaya. Kasi, pag nag-umisa na yung assessment, bawal na lumabas. So, we have also the do's and don'ts. So, once na nag-start ang ating assessment, bawal na lumabas. So, bawal na rin magtanong sa akin or bawal na rin magtanong sa inyong mga co-trainees. So, ibig sabihin, itanong nyo na lahat yung mga gusto yung itanong kasi mamaya hindi na ako pwedeng mag-entertain pag nag-umpisa na yung assessment. Okay? So, meron din tayong tinatawag na re-assessment procedure. So, dito sa re-assessment procedure, kumbaga kung hindi nyo naipasa ang isang competency or hindi nyo naipasa yung assessment, pwede kayong magpa-reschedule ng assessment at your convenient time. Okay? So, kung 2 consecutive na hindi nyo naipasa ang assessment, I suggest na magte-take na kayo ng refresher course. Okay? So, meron din tayong tinatawag na confidentiality. So, ibig sabihin ng confidentiality, sinesecured natin yung result ng assessment na hindi dapat lumabas kung ano naman yung nangyayari dito sa loob ng assessment for your integrity. Okay, so we have also the occupational health and safety procedure. So, mamaya pag nag-start kayo sa demonstration, pakitanggal yung mga accessories ninyo kasi bawal na. Merong mga singkay, kaya yung kasi magmamasa kayo ng mga tinapay, okay? So be careful pag nagtagamit kayo ng knife in handling the oven, igniting it, and the unplugging and plugging of equipment. Para in case na merong mangyari, huwag naman sana, just call my attention para malapatan natin ang first aid. Yung first aid kit natin is located lang sa likod ng door. Okay? Meron din tayong tinatawag na the right to appeal. So, kung hindi kayo nag-a-agree sa naging resulta ng assessment, pwede kayong mag-send ng letter sa provincial office for the right appeal. Okay? Okay, you have 15 minutes para gawin yung mga necessities ninyo bago tayo mag-umpisa sa assessment. Okay, ready na ba kayo? So, here is your specific instruction. So, pakibasa ng maigi. Kung may hindi kayo naiintindihan, itanong nyo na para mai-translate ko sa dialect na alam ninyo. So, you're going to make a cake and decorate it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then, gagawa din kayo ng hamburger buns for 1 hour. Followed by oral questioning. So, may mga tanong pa ba kayo? Okay, I'm going to assign you as candidate number 1 and candidate number 2. So, pwede na kayo mag proceed sa demonstration area. Okay, time's up. Proceed na kayo sa inyong upuan.
Ng MIS, ma'am?
Candidate number 1, please proceed to the interview room. And candidate number 2, please proceed to the waiting area. Wait for your number to be called, okay? Please, candidate number 1. Here is your question. So, ano nga ba yung kahalagahan? Bakit pinapatanggal yung mga libraries bago mag-umpisa sa bagong assessment? Okay? So, bakit mo nga pinakonsider yung temperature para ano? Sa pagluluto ng mga chips? Okay? So, why is it important to wash your hands before doing work during time of the kanina? Okay? Please call candidate number 2. Okay, candidate number 2. What is the importance of accurate measuring technique? I will repeat the question. What is the importance of accurate measurement in dating? How do you ensure the proper maintenance of baking equipment? How do you ensure the proper maintenance of baking equipment? Bakit pinapatanggal ang inyong mga alahas kanina bago tayo mag-umpisa sa demonstration? Okay, call candidate number 2 for the feedback, number 1 for the feedback. Okay, candidate number 1. Kumusta ang naging assessment? Confident na confident. See, base sa naging observation ko, nagawa mo naman na yung cake mo, na-decorate mo naman ng maganda. Yung buns mo, okay naman yung pagkakaluto, umalsa naman siya. Okay. And for the question is, oral interview kanina, nasagot mo lahat ng aking questions. Pero may mga certain areas na for improvement pa. Para maging elegant yung cake mo. Kahit simple siya. Siyempre, naanuhin mo kung ano yung magandang kulay kung paano mo i-decorate yung cake. Okay? Pero overall, you are competent. So, here is your papirma ko sa ating cards and the rating sheet na nag-a-agree ka sa naging resulta ng assessment. Ang iyong NC2 certificates ay marireceive mo 2 to 3 days after this assessment. And kung hindi mo ma-receive yung email, pwede mong kuhanin yung cards mo kay AC Manager para
Ay, may revision ka sa MIS?
Kung hindi na-active yung iyong email, pwede mong papalitan kay AC Manager para pagdating sa may receive mo na yung e-certificate mo. Okay? Please call ng candidate number 3. Okay. Candidate number 2. Kumusta na yung assessment? Oo nga, nakita ko, hirap na hirap ako paano mo i-decorate na nila yung cake. Tapos medyo bumagsak siya. Tapos yung buns mo medyo natuto. So, alam mo na kung anong magiging resulta ng mga software. So, pero huwag kang mag-alala. Pwede ka naman magpana-schedule ulit ng assessment. Pero tsaka alam mo na yung procedure, mas mag-i-improve ka na kung baga next time na magpapare-assess ka ulit, magagawa mo na ng tama at mag-recognize mo na ng maayos yung state mo. Okay? So, here is the cards and the relationship. Pagpilmahan mo. So, ito yung na nag-a-agree ka na saring nagsulta ng assessment. Pero kung hindi ka naman, kung sa tingin mo na okay yung naging performance mo dito sa assessment, pero may tinatawag ka ng right to appeal sa ating provincial office. So that's all for the assessment. Good luck sa inyong next na level work. Okay? Madam Tesla Representative, ito na yung mga accomplished na result ng assessment.